Hey guys, Super Paper Paw Patrol Rules 2006 here. Today, this is my first unboxing review. Today it's going to be on a Barber Builder Take-Along Wafty. My dad purchased this for me the other day, and I'm excited to have him. I need to put my phone down to open him up. There we go. Alright, I got him out. So yeah, here's Wafty. He looks pretty cool. See, he got his crane on, his smiley face, and he came with his steel beam. So yeah, there's my take-along Wafty. Oh, and he came with a character card. Yes, we can. Yeah, I think so. Yep, that's his catchphrase. And he also came with this little. Ooh. He got some talking vehicles. He got talking vehicles. And got the other die cuts you can collect. So yeah. There's the tools there. There's character card. So yeah, there's Wafty. And I got him because he's my favorite character in the show. So yeah, there's Wafty. Well guys. Anyway, I got him to add to my construction worker. Let's put him up there. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing review. Comment down below what's your favorite Barber Builder character. This is Super Paper Paw Patrol 2006 signing off.